Hi YouTube! I'm making this video. It's kind of like a frequently asked questions video because whenever I meet people and I tell them my story, I always get asked pretty much the same questions. First question being, how did I, find out that I had cancer? Like what made me go get checked? And to give a little backstory on me, when I was 17, I found a lump on my right breast, got it checked out, and it turned out to be just a cyst. It was benign. So later on down the line, when I found this lump on my left breast, I thought, oh, it's just another cyst. Kind of ignored it until it started growing and it started hurting. And I said, wait a minute, this isn't normal. My other cyst, it remained the same size throughout all the years. This one was growing rapidly and it was hurting me. So finally I took the initiative and tried to go find out what it was. And at this time I didn't have insurance, so I would go to clinics and I would pay cash, get an ultrasound done, and they would find something, of course, on the ultrasound and would tell me to come back within a couple of weeks or so, schedule an appointment to get a mammogram done. Okay, I come back for this mammogram, willing to pay cash, and they turned me away because of my age. At the time I was 25, no kids. I still don't have any kids. So I would just get turned away. And this took about 5 months process to finally find somewhere that would listen to me, listen to my frustration. I knew something was wrong with my body. This wasn't normal and I needed to get it checked out, but no one wanted to give me a mammogram because of my age. Luckily, I found a place where they were willing to give me a biopsy. They didn't want to give me a mammogram either, but they gave me an alternative and gave me a biopsy. I'd rather prefer to have a biopsy, hands down, than a mammogram because it's a tissue sample. So it's the real deal. It's not a photograph or anything. So I went and got this biopsy done, and it was an ultrasound guided biopsy. Oh my gosh, it hurt so much. They took about 3 to 4 samples from my breast, from my left breast, and as I'm getting these samples taken out, the lady that was taking them asked if she could take some samples from my lymph nodes. She had this kind of gut feeling, I guess, and I said, of course. So she took about 2 samples from my lymph nodes, and ta-da, what do you know? I have cancer, and it spread to my lymph nodes, making me a stage 3. 25 years old, stage 3. I'm sure if I would have gotten that mammogram when I first started looking around, probably would have just had to do, surgery. Who knows? But because I was already stage 3 and it went to my lymph nodes, I had to start chemo right away. So within one day to the next week, I had the surgery for my portacalf, and then the next, week or 2 after that, I started chemo. I did my sessions of chemo, and this is like in July of 2010, and then by December 2010, I'm getting surgery, a double mastectomy, not saving my nipples. I could have gotten just one breast removed, but I opted to get both. I didn't want to risk it, so I got both breasts removed, got my expanders to prep for the reconstruction, and as I'm getting my breasts expanded for the reconstruction, I'm getting another round of chemo. So it was chemo, surgery, more chemo. But I'm in the clear now, so in September, I am 2 years cancer free. But that's my story and that's how I found out. So if you have, if you feel something and it's not normal, I know it's scary going to the doctors, but I think it's scarier not knowing what's going on with your body. Because if it is something, if you catch it early, your chances are, higher. I can't stress it enough. If you feel something's wrong, go get it checked out. Don't be scared of the doctor. It's worse if you wait and don't find out what's going on. And I think that's it. I know I had other questions, but I got so around, into my story right now. And I'll just cut this video short. If you guys have any other questions, go ahead and leave a comment. And I'll try to make another video with, your guys' questions. Ask me anything. Alright? Bye. Nice seeing you guys. Come here, Kendra. Say hi to Kendra. Come here. Come here. Hurry. Come here. Come here. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube. Hi. Look at her cute little sweater. Yes, she loves it. Bye.